Welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Please click that link below, subscribe to my channel. I'm posting new videos all the time, keep you up to date on what's happening in the energy world. Also give you tools that you could use to move forward in a positive way as we go through all these dramatic changes that are taking place in the world. And today, I'm going to talk about something that I've been working with for a long period of time. And it's one of those things that brings up a lot of feelings for people. So I share, my goal when I do this work is always to share information to help people based on what I learned and things that have worked for me. I don't preach it. I don't tell you, I'm not trying to say this is it, the be all end all. Just trying to share with you things that I've learned that have been very powerful for me and many people that I've worked with. And one of those things is the concept that you chose your parents before you came. Now, I will tell you, speaking at events and working with people over many, many years now, that I've been in times with events and things like that where people just went crazy when I said that. They just could not grasp the concept that they chose their parents, especially obviously if you've had difficulty with your parents or they were abusive or whatever the case may be. It's very hard for us as humans who are logical to understand, why would I pick these people? I cannot tell you how many times I have heard over the years, why would I pick them? I would never pick these people. They were terrible. I've heard this a million times. So what I want to do is just kind of clear up what really happens and why you select your parents before you come. From an energetic and a karmic perspective, you came here, your soul, with your soul, to have an emotional experience and also to accomplish certain things in your life. There's a couple of different dynamics going on here. One of the things you want to do as far as selecting your parents, there's a number of different reasons for that. One is, obviously you came to have an emotional journey, so your parents in that circumstance was best for your emotional journey. But looking just at the parents from that perspective, you selected your parents because they had the best DNA for what you came to do, basically across the board. So you also have to understand, and then when you have siblings, you say, well, they have different traits and I have different traits, because what happens is before we come, we're going to cherry pick the traits that we want to have from our mother and father so that they will work for our experience in this lifetime. So I know this may sound a little out there, but I just want to kind of give you a different perspective on what's going on. So you're going to select what works for you. That's why you may say, oh, my brother, my sister, people are different. They don't have the same issues, or they don't have the same problems, or they are good in certain areas or not as good in certain areas. That's all by design. So you basically pick your parents because they had the emotional code that you needed for your work to do emotionally. They also had the skill sets that you wanted for the work you came to do here in this lifetime. So I came here to be a teacher and be a speaker and be a writer and do all the things that I'm doing in this lifetime. And when I look at my family, I say, okay, I understand my father's family, very gregarious, outgoing. My father was the youngest of 12. They were always entertaining. They were always in front of people. That did not faze them, right? So for me, I got that from my mother, has the resilience. She has other qualities that I got from her that are good. Now, again, I also got negative, which we all do. We get negative from our parents too. My father suffered with depression. My mother had other emotional issues that I had to work through that were part of my DNA that I chose for this lifetime. So what I want you to do is understand that this was a choice that you made, and this is where we talk about empowerment. You made the choice to have these parents. So if you still have issues, or you're holding negative energy, or you're holding feelings towards your parents that are not good, what I want to recommend for you to do here is make peace with it. And you have to accept, I made this decision to have these parents, whatever feelings, because listen, I had a lot of anger toward my parents growing up. I had a lot of anger as an adult. I had to work through all those emotions and feelings before I could get to a place of forgiveness. But if you're still holding on to the negative, if you're still angry, these are things to work through that will help you elevate to a higher level as we go forward. So again, empower yourself by understanding there was a reason you made that choice. There's certain things, and when you really look at it and really get into it, you're going to say, well, yeah, it makes sense. I understand why I chose them. But if you're still holding on to anger or negative feelings, you want to make sure that you flush that out. Because again, if you do that, if you can't let it go, it's going to keep eating you up inside. I hope this was helpful. I know some people get really upset by this. Put questions in the chat. I'll be happy to answer those for you as you go forward. But remember, it was part of your unique journey, and nobody else has your journey but you. So thank you so much. I look forward to connecting with you soon.